Welcome, in front of me is a HUAWEI P Smart Pro, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through these settings. So to get started, you want to open up Settings app, and from there scroll all the way down to System, where you will find Reset. Tap on that, and here you have a couple different reset options, but we're interested in the last one, Reset Phone. It gives you a message that will remove basically all the things that are listed here, so your account, apps, data, installed apps, music, photos, and other files. So basically anything that you have placed on this device yourself will be completely gone, and only the preloaded apps that you see whenever you start the device for the first time will remain. So once you back up your device, or if you don't care, then you can just disregard this message. So once you're ready, you can tap on Reset Phone, and then again Reset Phone. Also, as you can see, you have a backup option. If you wish to keep some data, you can back it up, but I'm not going to do that, so just Reset Phone, and the process will begin. Now this might take a couple minutes, just be patient. Once it's finished, we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen, so I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.